I think we're looking at this McG problem incorrectly. McG is a small portion of an even greater societal problem. And that societal problem is the fact that there are people who are looking for that type of thing. It's the fact that he has a market. It's the same with this Siyacela guy who says the most horrible of things. He has a market. And that market sits in our societies. It sits in our households, that market, right? So if we're going to discuss this effectively, we need to address the market portion of it, right? Because he's just the supply. We need to deal with the fact that there's demand for that, right? And supply always follows demand. It's never the other way around. I mean, the second thing we need to talk about is the fact that before we get to that, in our society, in our households, in our friendships, in our gatherings, there are people who will be found in those comment sections endorsing what McG said about that lady, Minnie Dlamini. There are people in our comment sections who will be found defending what Siyacela always says to that lady. And those people are people that we sit next to. Those people are in our society. They're embedded. Podcast and Chill has, I think, more than 1 million subscribers. Those are people in our society. And he's been doing things like these. But he still has that market. Do you get me where I'm going with this? The second thing we need to discuss is that we are chronic complainers. We watch so we can complain, so we can give him more traffic, so that he can be empowered, so we can watch, so we can complain, so that he can get more traffic, so he can be empowered, and that's how the cycle goes. A lot of the time, even when we complain, we're not even complaining because what he said was wrong. We complain because we get a kick out of the complaining. Something gets massaged in us when we complain, and when we do the cancel trending, and when we are chronic complainers. And Mojalove knows that, YouTube knows that, the platforms that these guys are on know that we're going to watch so we can complain, so that they can get more traffic, so we can watch so we can complain, so that they can get more traffic, and on and on and on it goes. So I think let's have effective discussions when it comes to things like that.
Bafethu, hase re bua nnete re na le problem ya Majida, not problem ya McG. Because if you watch the clip, mo McG a buile dintho tsa di buileng, o dutse le Majida, o dutse le Saul, o dutse le Mashabela, and none of them bali two Majida ga fitsing or McG, you are out of line. Some are saying Saul cannot correct his boss, but respectfully so, you can do that. The guest as well, Mashabela, is to be blamed as well. We cannot be complacent with discussing women in this fashion. They had Ndlozi as a guest. Nicely so, respectfully so. Ndlozi did not divulge information sensitive about intimacy ya high, le partner ya high on the podcast. It is because of the respect that he's having for women, it's the respect that he's having for his partner. So as I'm saying, it's problematic that we'll have influencers, celebrities who see women in this way. It's very wrong. Right now, each and every emerging podcaster wants to be like McG. That is why the likes of Taghi felt that it was imperative to discuss partner ya motho jwalo. And I applaud Reason for standing up for his woman. Go into that podcast, because how do you say that? And there are men who are proudly embracing this nonsense, at some point your partner used to be somebody else's partner. Your wife, your girlfriend used to be somebody else's girlfriend. So they left that person because they had a smell. But we are fighting a losing battle. If we've got influential young Africans who speak like that, who do not understand the influence that they are wielding, it's very problematic. So these emerging podcasters, they are learning from McG that if you want to be popular, For your podcast to thrive, it must thrive on sensationalism. It must thrive on insulting women. This must not be allowed. This podcast must be regulated as well. We've got BCCSA as well for the radio, for the TV. This is wrong. Re majita santse a ripa basadi. Re majita santse a bola bana ripa basadi. If re sa defend women in that way, it's a worthless exercise to try and cancel Big G because he thrives on that. They're even proudly embracing that they'll have 8,000 subscribers just for speaking that nonsense. How do you address that? How do you speak such nonsense? Maybe because these are very sensitive matters, very sensitive issues. Be busy lona bashing black women.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash it. Oh my god, the like button. Weqhubeka nokutrenda uMacG ngemva kokuthi athi uMinnie Dlamini lapha ku podcast yakhe wayangalasti kuma relationship, wayangabe neluck when it comes to love. Does her cook smell or something? So abantu abaningi akuzange kubaphathe kahle aloko uMacG akhulumile because people felt ukuthi that was very very disrespectful of him to make such remarks about a woman, and some felt ukuthi vele uMacG akabahloniphi abantu besifazane, especially laba lebanemali. uMacG guys umbabe and he's a husband to una lady, and for someone lumbabe and a husband ukuthi wenda such remarks about another woman on a public platforms, what a low blow. So Mzansi is angry. Men are fuming ukuthi uyindoda lenjani wena lo hambe wenda such remarks about a woman, ukhuluma into lefana nalena nje uyasehlisa sithunde semadoda. But some men felt ukuthi there's nothing special about uMinnie Dlamini. Some are even saying ukuthi yeah, in the special ngaMinnie Dlamini. uMacG have been talking about a lot of people why namhla ngoba kukhulunywa ngaMinnie Dlamini sekufuna kushake yonke into. People are even saying ukuthi hey podcast yakhe ayivalwe ngobani just because ukhuluma ngaMinnie Dlamini. Obvious guys, our level of thinking capacity to is not the same. So some people think ukuthi he was wrong, and some think ukuthi no, that's a public platform, a podcast leyana, they are allowed ukuthi bakhulume nga whatever labafuna kukhuluma ngayo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.